Geometry is important in LaTeX because it allows you to control the layout and formatting of your document. With the geometry package, you can set parameters like page size, margin, and other layout specifications, ensuring that your document looks the way you want it to. This level of control is crucial for creating professional and visual appealing document, whether it is for academic paper, reports, articles, or any other type of publication. The current margin of the paper is in this way you can see, and at the bottom we have this statement. This statement will be used to change the entire geometry of this document. So see here, we close this file. This is our LaTeX file, and at this place you can see the same statement is used here for the geometry package. So at this place, these are the options of the further geometry, and you can see here top margin, bottom margin, left margin, and right margin, and then we have the package. Package is name of the package is used at this place. So when we will build this file, see this is the geometry of our current document. If we want to change the margin, left margin, top margin, and bottom margin, this is very simple. Suppose I want to fix top margin is 0.5 inch and bottom margin is also 0.25, and left margin I have is 1 and right margin I have is 0.25. So this is the margin of the current document when I execute this file by pressing F1, or either you can press from this place. So we rebuild the file by pressing F1, and you will see that the entire geometry of the document is changed. At this place you can see the left margin and right margin and top margin of the document, and left margin we have is more than the right margin, and also you can see the bottom margin of the document. But here you see one thing is missing. In the footer we have the page numbers. Page numbers are not appeared, so we have to increase the bottom margin, that is now 0.5, and again rebuild the file, and you can see, yes, at the bottom we have page number. We need to increase a little bit more. Suppose it is 0.75, and rebuild the file. So now you can see the page number is perfect, and right margin we need to increase. I am taking here 0.5 and rebuild the file. So the left margin we have is 1 inch, and right margin we have is 0.5, bottom is 0.75, and top is 0.5. And when you will open this file, and you can see here the entire document in PDF, and it looks very beautiful. And when you will compare the left margin and right margin, left margin is more than the right. Okay, so this looks very beautiful document. One more thing, if you change the layout, this is one side document, and we are changing this document in two side. Two side is used when we publish the book. A two-side document is required. So when we will publish this page, open this page, and you see that, yeah, this is very important to see the difference between the previous and the present. Here you can see on the page number 1 we have the left margin is more than right, but on the second page this will be changed. The left margin is less than to the right. So here right margin is more. Since when a page will publish both side, then this will be on the left side. Second page margin will be on the left side of the paper. So in this way you can easily convert and manage the geometry of your entire document. If you want to change layout, we can convert into landscape, and to make it this document landscape, we put the command at this place, and you can see the page is now landscape, and the entire document is changed accordingly. And if you want to make it full size, you can see here, yeah, so this is the landscape layout of the paper. Yes, so all the things are managed automatically, just we need to give the instruction, and according to that the entire document will be managed automatically. Remove this command from this place, and I comment this package, okay, by using Ctrl T. If you will use this one, this is also the geometry package, but here we can easily use A4, and if you need to manage the entire document by using this is the total 5 inch and 8 inch. So when you will execute this statement, this will also manage the geometry of the entire document. This the left margin and right margin will be same, and you can see the top margin and bottom margin. So the first is the left and right margin, and this is used for top and bottom margin. The another way to manage the same we have is this statement is also can be used to manage the geometry. And here we have legal paper, landscape, margin 2-inch, and this is the package. Okay, so here the left margin, top margin and bottom margin will be 2-inch, and when you will execute this statement, yes, so you can see here the entire document. So on each side the margin is equal. Okay, so in this way you can customize the margin of your document. Hopefully this lecture is very helpful for you, customization of your document. Thank you to see this lecture till the end.